No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, we got a new wig and it is from my absolute favorite brand, LuvMe Hair. Everybody knows that I love me some LuvMe hair, okay? My OGs know this, and if you're new to my channel, girl, welcome. You're gonna find out real quick that I love me hair units. They're just perfect. Everything about the units, the hair, the wig caps, it's just they're just perfect. Perfection, okay? Perfection. I love the purple box, and I love how the wigs come wrapped perfectly. Just like a gift, girl. Like a total gift. Now, we're going to go ahead and get right into it. Okay. Now, every unit does come with all of these nice little goodies here. You get wig caps, an air freshener, girl. Just all kinds of stuff. Looks like we got some wig tapes. Yes, girl, we got everything we need for this unit. But we're going to go ahead and get right into it, okay? We're going to go ahead and get right into it because I'm excited. I am definitely excited for this one. Now, this one is, I don't know if you can tell what it is from looking at it already, girl. I'm just trying to get it out of the package, and it is so pretty, and I love this color. It is just everything. OMGG. So, if you haven't figured it out, but girl, she's a braided unit. A braided bob unit, girl. She is pretty. I'm just taking off her little hanky tag here. Super cute. This is a new addition to the units, and I love it. I just love their branding. Look at the wig cap. OMGG. The cap construction is always perfection. Super stretchy. They're nice and comfortable, girl. They're just everything. I've never had an issue with any of these units. Now, this one does have the traditional, cap style with the adjustable, old school strap inside. We have our temple combs, and we do have one down bottom in the back. Now, this unit does come pre-cut and all of that good stuff. She is just ready to go on the head and be styled. Now, I want to give you a close look here. Now, as you see, she's just wefts in the back, which is totally fine. It is beautiful. And then we have our cutesy braids in the front to give the illusion of a boho bob. Knotless boho braided bob. Look at that. OMGG. Now, this is considered pre-cut. You will have to add your makeup or cut a little more lace off the front. Make it work for you. There always is a little work involved in a unit. You have to do a little something to make it perfect for you. Let's go ahead and put it on. This is how I like to put mine on. This is my method. You do it however you like. There's no right or wrong way. Now, I'm not here to teach you any type of anything as it pertains to. I'm just here to show you the beautiful units. Now, if you learn something while you're here, that's a plus. But look at this. OMGG. She's on, and she is gorgeous. Now, we do have to conceal our lace a little bit. I'm going to go in with my makeup brush and push that little lace on into the skin. But girl, she is cute. OMGG. Perfect. She is perfect. This is perfect for the girlies who want to wear braids, but you don't have the time. No one wants to sit there all day to get braids. And she is beautiful. Look at this. Low maintenance. Super cute. Now, if you did want to take a couple, down in the front to create you some baby hairs, you can do that. I'm just getting her
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
She's
no
cute.
Make back, but I ain't got a chauffeur. I'm in it for the bread, put you in a toaster. Hey, yes, sir. Got a little older, was a young flexer.